Hey, this is Bubbles with FX Money Blueprint. Welcome. Before I provide an overview about a fast-growing company called Tradera, here is a really quick disclaimer. Every effort will be made to accurately represent the product or service and its potential. Trading is risky, and past profits do not predict future gains. Wealth creation is pretty simple. Your money should work for you. When your money is working for you, you're earning gains on it without you extending effort in exchange for more money. When your money is at work, you're able to compound your profits for additional gains by executing simple strategies. Putting your money to work involves identifying opportunities to create residual income. After all, we get residual expenses and bills. Also, wealth creation is identifying the lowest entry vehicles that can provide the highest return on investment gains by taking strategic and calculated risk. In this short overview, you're going to learn about an exciting new startup company named Tradera, which was founded in 2019 by traders Cody Sell and Eastman Harris and is based in the United States. With a vision to help people learn how to earn and even replace income with a low-cost entry in the Forex industry, they built a top-class financial markets learning platform. Forex is actually currency exchange. Have you ever traveled to another country? When you arrive to the country, you may recall exchanging your country currency for local currency. That is currency exchange. To take it a step further, there are financial institutions, traders, and more who trade currency on the market. Forex is one of the largest markets in the world. You may be asking, well, why should I be interested in Forex at this time? Cell phones and other mobile devices makes the Forex market one of the most accessible markets, and it's a 5 to 6 trillion a day market, trumping the stock market by trillions. Now, we make money daily, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and Forex is all over the world. With the flexibility of your mobile device, whether cell phone, tablet, or any device with an internet connection, you can access money from all over the world. Now, our basic focus is to teach you when to buy in the market, when to sell in the market, and when to do nothing. Tradera has a simple value proposition, which includes trading education, trade alerts, live sessions, market forecast, 2-week syllabus, small study groups, 20 pips and dip strategy, as well as a very, very strong trading community. So let's look at these individually. Our trading education is 100% online, so you can access it from anywhere with an internet connection. The education ranges from basic to advanced strategies with step-by-step processes. The 2-week syllabus and 20 pips and dip framework is designed to prepare you to start your journey as a trader quickly. There are live sessions daily conducted Sunday through Thursday by top traders, which allows you to not only increase your knowledge base, but also ask your questions. If you cannot make a live session, it's okay. You can simply log into your back office to watch the recording of the session. Forex trading is made simple. Trade alerts is an exciting component of the program. How would you like to earn while you learn? This means that you'll get trading alerts from the company that you can simply copy and paste. The alerts state your stop loss, take profit, and entry point. The alert tells you everything that you need to do to profit in the market on the guidance of successful traders. You'll get this while you develop your skill set of trading. Want to compound your money like the banks? The 20 pips and dip strategy shows you how to make small profits and compound them over time. This is a powerful resource made available to you as a bonus offering by the team. The 2-week syllabus is your personal agenda to getting started with your Forex trading education. It is designed to help you create the foundation that will enable you to enter the market quickly. The training modules are delivered by top trainers, and your time investment is about 60 to 90 minutes per day. Market forecasts are posted in your back office weekly on Sundays at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The forecasts break down major assets and offer insights. Maybe you're wondering if you can do this, especially by yourself. If it seems like a lot, again, it's okay. Just know that we got you covered with our professionally led small study groups that foster community and support for beginners and experienced traders. Our community of traders provides networking opportunities and a forum for support, note sharing, and assistance with your questions. For sure, do your research. In such a short time, Tradera has experienced extraordinary success, not just in revenues, but in the successes of its clients and affiliates. Once you're on the inside, you'll quickly understand why so many people are joining Tradera. With your client membership and more, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. For all of the value that you receive that some companies charge thousands for, you can get access to for $99 every 4 weeks. Once you're in, you'll get access to all of our amazing services. Not to mention, if you want to become free, we'll teach you how to sign up your first 3 client memberships, and then you get your education for free. After your first 3, if you would like to make an income for referrals, you can actually pay $15 every 4 weeks. And now you can build a business and earn residual income for client membership referrals. Once you reach your very first rank, you'll go back to paying your $114 a month. This is powerful. After you refer 3 clients, you can continue to build up a sales organization that can pay you up to $100,000 per month. You only need 3 active client membership referrals, but if you have more, it's cool. The system is designed so that you can help others in your downline with placements. Now, you can always have a 4th person or more in case someone's credit or debit card doesn't work, to ensure that you do not miss out on any compensation. We don't want you to leave any money on the table. Commissions are paid weekly. The first goal is to help you to get set up as a trader so that not only can you begin to build your foundation as a trader, but you can also position yourself to earn recurring income from referring others who start their journey with Tradera. Your success is our success. And once you see results, it will be super easy to share your success with others that will help you to refer clients who sign up as well. After you reach the rank of founder by referring 3 active client memberships, you are free. You'll pay $15 a month and reach that first rank. Not just reach the rank, but crush it. Some people are doing this within 20 to 30 minutes. You have a big leg and you need 4 people in that leg, 4 people in your leg 2 and leg 3 for a total of 10 people. Now you are a knight at $500 a month. If you want to continue to go up the ranks, Noble is the next rank. Noble requires 10 partners in your leg 1, 10 in your leg 2, 5 in your leg 3, only 25 people in your organization. A wonderful component of this system is that there is spillover and spill under strategy. So you can get paid off of people who you haven't personally sponsored $1,000 a month. The rank of bishop is 30, 30, 15. 75 people in your organization paying $2,000 a month. Guys, this is phenomenal. When you reach the Duke and Duchess level, there are 250 people in your downline, 100, 150, and you are now paid $5,000 a month. After that, your next goal is the rank of prince or princess, which requires 500 people in your downline, which pays you $10,000 a month. Then you'll be going after king or queen rank, which is 1,000 people in your downline paying you $20,000 a month or $5,000 weekly. Now, we have members who have already moved up to that rank in as little as 8 weeks. Emperor and empresses are paid $50,000 a month, and have 2,500 people in their downline. There's a gentleman who came over not even 90 days ago who hit $50,000 a month. The first female hit legend mid-April of this year. As you can see, timing is everything. Where you want to be is legend. So before I move on, I want you to say, I am legend. Again, I am legend. What would you do with legendary income? It is waiting for you. If you're willing to put in the work to make it happen. Legends have 5,000 people in their downline. That is $100,000 a month, $25,000 paid out every single week. Now, whether you earn $500 per month or $20,000 and more a month, commissions are paid weekly using a variety of payment methods. The company is good about ensuring that the commissions are paid out to all of the partners. Now, I know you may be thinking that network marketing is a challenge, and maybe that is just not your deal. Well, let me ask you this. Is earning extra income, whether a little bit or a lot, your deal? If it is, network marketing is just the type of vehicle that can get you there. I get it and completely understand this business model can get a bad rap, but it obviously works as it is a huge industry. So let me ask you this also. Do you have any dreams? What about goals? Or what about just your basic needs? Whether the business model is called network marketing, affiliate marketing, online marketing, internet marketing, brick and mortar, or more, who cares what it's called? As long as it is a legitimate, legally operating, has proven systems and processes in place to help you to get to your destination. What if you told me that you desperately needed a ride like yesterday to go somewhere? I tell you, listen, I can give you a ride and get you there safely, but you may not like it. What are you going to say? If you desperately want to get to that place, are you going to say, "No, I'm good"? I don't think so, but I want you to keep that in mind. It's all about the numbers. 40,000 people don't just come on board with the company in a couple of months if that company isn't doing something right. And that's exactly what happened with Tradera, to the extent that when I say dev, I mean development team, they were in overdrive trying to get infrastructure in place because that type of growth was not expected. It was not in the forecast. And so obviously the company is doing something right. So again, you can register for your client membership in less than 2 minutes. You'll have immediate access to the offerings, get placed, and access your link to share with others so that you can position yourself for commissions quickly. The business works simply because of the systems, processes, and training that are in place to help you to succeed. Get positioned for success quickly. After you get positioned for $99, we'll show you how to enroll 3 client members, get your education for free, and qualify for the night rank of $500 per month. If you want to just trade, get positioned for $99. Allow us to show you how to refer 3 client memberships so that you can still get your education for free and go about your business of trading. For those seeking income from referrals, you'll continue your journey until you rank all the way up. All experience levels are welcome. Before I conclude, I just want to say that you could have been watching a million other videos, but you were connected to this one. Why? Whatever your circumstance, there is a reason that you are watching this video. It really is. I want you to think about that. For $99, listen, for $99, you can get on a path towards your goals. Isn't your dream worth $99? Take the first step towards it today with Tradera. Your dream is waiting for you. Register for your client membership now. If someone was so thoughtful to refer you to watch this video, please go back to them and get their link so that you can get started, not today, but right now. However, if you stumbled across this video because of where it's placed online, then you are more than welcome to grab the link below in the description to get signed up. But please do not do that if someone referred you to the video. Please be thoughtful enough to give that person who thought of you credit for even sharing this information with you. Thank you so much. This is Bubbles with FX Money Blueprint. Make it a bubblicious day.